made you smile? If so, what was that moment?
For me, the moment that I cherish with my teacher is when they are helping me when I need help in homeworks and in studies.
There are definitely plenty of moments where I have smiled in front of my teachers and with my class, but I would say those moments would be when our teachers teach us a lot of interesting things and they joke with us. This kind of interaction with the students, it creates a lot of happiness in the classroom. It makes a really good environment which makes me smile a lot.
So what's the most valuable thing or lesson you learned from a teacher?
Okay, so sa Filipino, shoutout to you, Sir Adam. Alam mo sa story ang pinabasa mo, Munting Principle ba yun? Parang kasama yata sa story, sa pag-aalala ko. Parang yung prinsipe nalungkot kasi hindi niya nasama yung paborito niyang bulaklak. Eh, napunta siya sa mundo yata natin nun. Sa karami-raming bulaklak parang... Basta sa karami-raming bulaklak parang isa pa rin yung nice niyang piliin, which is yung bulaklak na gusto niya sa kanyang mundo.
I for one, specifically from our research teacher, Mrs. Hartman, she taught us a lot about responsibility and a lot about growing up. And she's one of she inspires me to be someone better, not only for myself but other people. And I will hold that lesson until I go.
One of the most valuable things I learned from Miss Celine is that you should be kinder to yourself. She taught us that we shouldn't underestimate our capabilities and instead focus on the positive that truly helped us become more confident in ourselves.
What is something you appreciate most about you?
Something I like about my teachers is that they always are so understanding of where your situation is and how it is. Because I have asthma and sometimes I need to stay outside in math class. So the teacher will always help me out by giving me notes and etc. And also the teachers are always so caring, especially when you're absent, since they will help you catch up to the rest of the class.
Now for the third question. What is something you appreciate the most about you?
One thing I appreciate most is how she's willing to help others or even offer her advices to us, and how she always tries her best in order for us to be happy.
I learned that these teachers are one of the best people that I've ever studied under, and their ability to make us have fun and relate to everything and make sure that learning will become enjoying, and of course make sure that we take the lessons in while also having fun at the same time. That's the thing I appreciate most about our teachers.
For me, teachers are very enlightened and educated because they're well said. Sometimes is misunderstanding, they're confused.
Di sila yung madaling magalit. Parang may ibang teachers na kunwari pagalit, kaya tahimik buong klase. Pero sa totoo, yun pala, parang kayo yung biruan lang. Tapos, doon magsisimula yung usapan kasi yun pala, ay, biro lang pala to. Lalo na kay Sir Renel.
From the Lyceum of the Philippines University, Manila, and on behalf of the College of International Relations and my section IR156B, we greet our revision teachers a happy Catholic Teachers' Day. We say thank you for your commitment and dedicated service to our future generation of Filipino leaders. Again, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Happy Teachers' Day. Semper Lorenzo, Veritas et Fortitudo, Pro Deo et Patria. Mabuhay ang kaguruang Pilipino at mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po.